Today we're making summer squash chicken Alfredo, but it's actually going to be just summer squash Alfredo, and it's going to be vegan for our Meatless Monday recipe. Got this from the All Recipes Dinner Spinner app. So we are turning on the stove to high so that this thing can start cooking. Got my 4 cups of gluten-free quinoa pasta, so that'll give us some extra protein. Got my sea salt ready to salt the water. And then I've got, you use 1 small zucchini and 1 small squash. Still got stuff from the garden I need to use, so that's why we're making this recipe tonight. And so I'm going to slice these up with the mandolin. And then it calls for bacon, so I'm going to use bacon bits out of my deluxe cheesy mac or bacon and mac Daya box. Here's the bacon. That is actually goes on top or in the sauce. I'm going to do it in the sauce. Then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of minced garlic when we get to the sauce. And you need a cup of Alfredo sauce. I'm going to use one of these Daya Alfredo style deluxe cheese sauce packets. And then calls for 1/4 cup or 1/4 cup of milk. So we're probably going to use some vegan, let me see, non-dairy something or another. Probably the oat milk from Thrive Market. I have a Thrive Market membership and I love it. All right, so that's the ingredients so far. You can also put some Parmesan cheese on at the end. So I have some vegan Parmesan cheese we can use. And then sun-dried tomato, but most of the people in the review said they didn't have sun-dried tomato and they still did it and it was fine. So I don't have any currently, so I probably won't do that. But I will put it all together for you as we go along. Just use my mandolin and finish slicing 1 small zucchini and 1 small squash. Aren't they lovely? We're gonna saute those later. Pasta is done. Our quinoa gluten-free pasta. So now we're gonna strain that and then I'll show you what drained the pasta. And now we're working on sauteing the zucchini and the squash that we sliced with the mandolin. With about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there. We're going to saute those until they're a golden brown. When it's closer to the end, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. All right, so almost cooked down, almost sauteed down the zucchini and the squash. So I added 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. You know, I love me some good garlic in my pasta sauces, especially in Alfredo. Well, that's cooking. In the app, the recipe calls for putting bacon, like sauteing it yourself, and then adding it at the end. Like you put, you know, if you were using chicken, which we're not, you would do your pasta, then you'd put your chicken on top of the pasta, then you'd put bacon bits and the zucchini mixture and Alfredo all poured over the chicken. But I'm just gonna make it a sauce that has the flavors all mixed in together. So we've got the garlic in there. Just poured my vegan bacon bits in there from Daya. So we're just gonna have it all flavored in together, I think, rather than putting it all individually on afterwards. It's just gonna be in the sauce. That is looking good. Okay, so I've turned the heat down and I put in one of these Daya Alfredo style cheese packets, vegan cheese packets. Then I also did 1/4 cup of Thrive Market organic oat milk, vegan milk, and I've stirred that together and it looks really good. I'm gonna put the pasta in with it and then I'll see if I need any more milk just to make it not so thick. All right, I am just adding some vegan Parmesan cheese on top of our concoction here, which is our summer squash Alfredo. We are not using the chicken because it's Meatless Monday and I don't eat chicken. So summer squash Alfredo with some vegan Parmesan cheese. all vegan, all gluten-free, quinoa pasta, so you get some extra protein, and fresh summer squash and zucchini mixed in there with some vegan bacon. So it is all ready to go. Hope you guys give it a try. It smells amazing. We can't wait to try it.